First semi-pro king, now multiple pro wins. So awesome to see Andy Thomas climbing through the ranks here at Jackson. With a semi-pro improved points championship under his belt, young Cole looks to be following in his brother Andy's footsteps, but definitely doing it his own way. 3 World Championship wins here at the Jackson Hole World Championship Hill Climbs. What an incredible weekend for Cole Thomas on Polaris. 2 brothers, both with Rimshaw Racer of the Year titles. These Thomas boys are carving out quite the legacy of wins on the mountain here at Jackson.
I am fortunate enough to get to ride snowmobiles and race snowmobiles with my family. I get to race with my little brothers. I get to ride with them every day. Cole and I, we shred. He pushes me, I push him. He's coming for me on the circuit, and it's cool to see him grow as a rider and a person.
Polaris has been a huge part of me my whole career from snowmobiling. It's a huge honor to be able to ride Polaris clothing now, having that logo and their name on your gear at all times. Being part of the team is probably one of the coolest things I've ever been a part of.
Being supported by the same company to wear their gear is even cooler for me. Like, I've trusted them for so long with my equipment. Now I get to trust them with some of the best gear or the best gear on the market, and we're excited to do that.
It's a ton of work, but I like the work and I like to honestly better myself in snowmobiling and I guess in my work ethic. My dad, my brothers, my grandpa, my mom, even everyone in my family seems to have really good work ethic, and being around that helped me strive in what I like to do as well.
We're all so close that we all just, if we ride a little more or do a little more or get just a little bit better, it's gonna make a big difference on the race course. So it's pretty important to get as much seat time as possible.
I have a full-time job, so trying to make it work. Right after work, I'm heading and going riding. I'd say probably 90% of the time we're practicing, and then on super good days we'll go ride.
We put a lot of time into racing and into being an athlete that's always progressing. So when we can just go ride and ride how we rode when we first started this sport and just go have fun with each other and tease each other and make fun of each other when we get stuck and just go enjoy being outside and being on the snowmobiles, that's really cool. Polaris runs in my blood, I feel like. My great uncle owned a Polaris dealership way back before I was even a thought, and so it's definitely been in the family for a long time. I never thought that I would be a part of such a great company, let alone like a company that I wanted to be a part of. You know, I'm a proud American. It's sweet that I could be to the Polaris factory within a day of driving. So it's cool that it's in the land of the free and where I grew up and in a country that I'm proud of. And it's cool that it's all American based. So I'm excited to represent something that I also believe in.